and welcome back to Riya Kankonkar's channel. Today we'll be learning a new topic from lesson number 1, Heredity and Evolution, that is Lamarckism. The concept of Lamarckism has been named after the scientist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Today we'll be learning this concept in 3 parts. First we'll learn what did he propose. Second, examples, and third, why his theory was disapproved at first. So the first part tells us Jean-Baptiste Lamarck proposed that morphological changes occurring in living organisms are responsible for evolution. And the reason behind those morphological changes is activities or laziness of that organism. He called this concept as principle of use or disuse of organs. Now let us see a few examples about useful and useless modifications. So the first example here is about a giraffe, which tells us giraffe has got long neck due to browsing on leaves of tall plants by extending their neck for several generations. Now let us move on to the second example of ironsmith, which tells us the shoulders of the ironsmith have become very strong due to frequent hammering movements. That was a useful modification. Now let us see one example from useless modification. That is about emu and ostrich whose wings have become weak due to no use. Another example is about duck and swan whose legs have become useful for swimming due to living in water. And here comes an interesting example about snakes who have lost their legs by modification in their body for burrowing habit. And now let us check how many examples did we learn from useful and useless modifications. The first one, useful, has giraffe, ironsmith, duck and swan, and useless modification has emu and ostrich and snakes. All these examples are types of acquired characters that are transferred from one to another generation. This is called as theory of inheritance of acquired characters or Lamarckism. Now let us learn why was Lamarck's theory disapproved. First point tells us development of organs due to specific activities or their degeneration due to no use at all has been widely accepted, but transfer of those characters from generation to generation was rejected. Because it had been verified that modifications brought in us are not transferred to the next generation, Lamarck's theory was disapproved. Living organism can transfer characters which it has acquired to the next generation. That is called ancestry of acquired characters. Well done, we have completed our mission for today, and congratulations for earning those 3 points. So this was all for today's lecture, and I will see you in the next video. Please revise before you leave and have fun. Till then, bye.